Hi, so here's one of these Masterlock 630D, model 630D, and I want to put it up against the ruler so you could see how big it is. Now the build of it is pretty sturdy and there's no real gaps where someone can pry into it, but it is very small, so it looks like more or less one of those suitcase type locks. So you'll see that's how that's the measurement of it, and it is one of those locks that is resettable, and I'll show you how that's done here in a second. But let me go around and you'll see, you know, those are the instructions, but let me show you in person how it's done. So this is the lock, and once again, let me put the ruler around it so you could gauge basically how big it is. And so let me start by showing you how to change the lock. So I set the combination to 777, and you'll see it's unlocked. And in the top here, there's a notch. You see that notch over there? So if I turn it like this and I hold the lock down, you see I'm pushing it. Now if I hold it down and I squeeze, and I set the combination here to, let's just say I'm going to set it to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I release. And now if I close it and scramble, so that's how you set the lock. And now to unlock it, there you go. That's how you set the lock and unlock it. And once again, let me show it to you again. Just put the lock in this position and squeeze down. See, so there's a notch. Let me get a close up here. So there's a notch over there. And keep in mind that the front is the side with the red stripe. So there's a notch in the back here. You can see it from the side, and I'm gonna basically squeeze here. Squeeze down. So the lock is down. Hold it, and I'm gonna reset it back to 777. Release. Put it back in this position and scramble it. And there you go. Now it's locked. Unlock it. 777. Oops. So that's how this lock works. Let me get some close-ups of some of the build quality. If I could get this to focus. And from the top here, you can see from the side. So once again, that's it. That's the Masterlock Model 630D. And thank you for watching.